watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications.
Hi everyone. You have been using numbers, fundamental operations with numbers since childhood. There are four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. While listening this word division, you will get some terms in your mind. They are divisibility and divisibility rules also. Divisibility rules. In previous classes, we practiced with divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, this divisibility rule is some complex: 8, 9, 10 and 11, etc. Now let us begin with the concept of divisibility. Divisibility, which is a part of this chapter, real numbers. Right, divisibility. Divisibility means being divided without remainder. Without remainder. For example, consider two numbers 12 and 3. Here 12 is dividing with 3. Before the 12, remainder is 0. Right? We can say that 12 is divisible by 3, or 3 divides 12. And one more example. This is example 1 and this is example 2. 5, the another number is 70. Okay, here 70 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 2 0, 5 4s are 20. Remainder is 0. So 70 is divisible by 5, or 5 divides 70. Already you know that here 70 is called dividend, 5 is divisor, 14 is quotient. Here 12 is dividend, 3 is divisor, 4 is quotient. In this case, the remainder is 0. Now notation. We are considering notation for this: 3 divides 12 or 5 divides 70. So 3 divides 12. 3 divides 12. 5 divides 70. This is a notation. If A divides B, then we can write like this: A divides B. Right? Of course, A divides B is nothing but B is divided by A. Here 12 is divided by 3. Here 70 is divided by 5. So this is a notation. A divides B. That means B is completely divisible by A. Completely means without remainder. Now, divisibility notation. Properties. For example, 3 divides 12. We know this is true. And 3 divides 4. We know this is wrong. Okay. 3 divides 9. Okay. 3 divides 12. 3 divides 9. Now we can conclude. We can conclude that 3 divides 12 plus 9. 3 divides 12 minus 9. 3 divides 12 into 9. All are true. 3 divides 12, 3 divides 9. From these two values, we can say 3 divides 12 plus 9, 3 divides 12 minus 9, 3 divides 12 into 9. Divisibility. As we told in previous slide, divisibility is nothing but it is being divided without remainder. Already we considered some examples. Now coming to the definition, let B is a number, A is a number, and A divides B means B is the dividend divided by A. Let this is C. The remainder should be 0 because this is divisibility. That means B equals to A into C. B equals to A into C. Right? If A is said to be the divisor of B, that means B equal to AC. Here C is A comma B comma C. These three numbers are integers. A definition: for integers A comma B comma C, A is said to be divides B means there exists an integer C such that A equal to BC. Right? Or here remind one thing: A, B, C are integers. A is said to divides B means there exists an integer C such that A equal to BC. Keep in mind, here A should be not 0. Why? Because we know that division with 0 is not defined. So for integers A comma B comma C, A is not equal to 0. A is said to divides B means there exists an integer C such that A equal to BC. Notation. Okay, as previously said, if 3 divides 30, we can write as 3 divides 30. Of course, this is also equal to 30 divided by 3. A divides B. Notation is A divides B. P divides Q, means it can be written as P divides Q. A divides B. In this number, B is dividend, A is divisor. Okay. If A is said to be A divides B means there exists C such that B equal to AC. Here A, B, C are integers. This is the symbol of contained integers. This is the symbol. Integers means denoted with Z or I, and A should not be 0. Right? This is about notation. Properties. If A divides B and A divides C, if A divides B and A divides C, we can find it which are true. A divides B plus C, A divides B minus C, A divides BC, minus A divides B, A divides minus B. These are the properties which is of divisibility. If you want to clarify once again, you can take the example 2 divides 6, 2 divides 6, 2 divides 4. Now check. 2 divides 6 plus 4 means 2 divides 10, which is right. 2 divides 6 minus 4. 2 divides 2, which is also right. 2 divides 6 into 4. 2 divides 24. Yes, it is also right. And 2 divides minus 6 and minus 2 divides 6. All are true. So if A divides B and A divides C, then we can write A divides B plus C, A divides B minus C, A divides B into C, minus A divides B, A divides minus B. Once again, okay, let us see again the properties of divisibility. If A divides B and A divides C, then these values also right. A divides B plus C, A divides B minus C, A divides BC, minus A divides B, A divides minus B. Remind once again, A is not equal to 0. 1 divides any integer. So any integer is divisible by 1 as well as minus 1 also. So 1 divides A and minus 1 divides A. If A divides B and B divides A, then we can say that plus or minus A equal to B or A equal to plus or minus B. If you want to see the example, 2 divides minus 2 and minus 2 divides 2. Then minus 2 equal to minus 2 means this is 2 it is, or minus of minus 2 equal to 2. This minus 2 is this one. So plus or minus A equal to B or A equal to plus or minus B. And 0 does not divide any integer because division with 0 is not defined. And this one, if A divides B, then A divides Bx. Here x is an integer, x belongs to Z. Take one example, 3 divides 6. This is true. Now 3 divides 6 into 2 is also true. 3 divides 6 into 3 is also true. 3 divides 6 into 10 is also true. So let this is any integer, right? We know that 6 divided by 3 means 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 6 into 10 is also divided by 3. And A divides B, C divides D, then implies AC divides BD. For example, 2 divides 4, 3 divides 6. Now 6 divides 24. So this is also true. These are the properties of divisibility. Okay, divisibility means being divided without remainder. Notation, divides, this is a representation of divides. Of course, A divides B equal to B divides A. You know that this is passive voice, this is active voice. Okay, Rama kills Ravana. Ravana killed by Rama, right? A divides B, active voice, B divided by A, passive voice, right? Properties. Right, divisibility, which is dividend, which is divisor, which is quotient. Here remainder is 0. A is said to divides B. There exists an integer C. There exists an integer C such that A equal to BC. Here A is not equal to 0. Notation already we discussed. Properties 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? These are the properties of divisibility. Okay, consider one more example. 12 divides 48. Here (48) is dividend, 12 is divisor. Of course, if you want to find quotient, you have to divide this one. 48 divided by 12, 12 4s 48, remainder is 0. So 4 is quotient. Next, 12 is a factor of 48 and 4 is also a factor of 48. We can use divisor instead of factor also, they both are same. And 48 is a multiple of 12, as well as 48 is multiple of 4. A divides B, then B is divided by A, let the quotient is C. A is divisor, B is dividend, C is quotient. Here A comma C are factors of B, A comma C are divisors of B. B is multiple of A as well as B is multiple of C. We are considering one example here. 12 divides 48. Here 48 is dividend, 12 is divisor, 4 is quotient. We can take one more example, that is 7 divides 49. This is dividend, this is divisor. 7 is a factor of 49, 49 is a multiple of 7, right? 49 divided by 7, 7 is 49. So the same number. Okay, we can conclude. This is a notation of divisibility. What we discussed now, divisibility and divisibility. This is divisibility definition. notation. This is the notation of divisibility and properties. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 properties, right? Next, if A divides B, we can name for numbers what we have. One more here we are taking one example and write all the what we discussed in previous slide. Okay, that's all for this class.